Hi students. I wanted to do a little video to further describe the paper that's required in the class. So the paper, The Role of the School Counselor, is due July 1st. So you will write a minimum of a 12-page paper, but that includes the cover page and the reference page. So it'll really probably be about 10 pages. You can go over that. That's not a hard and fast rule, but it needs to at least be 12 pages total. That will be in APA style. And the purpose of the paper is to describe the role of the school counselor based on the ASCA and Texas models of counseling and guidance, which of course you will learn about in the class. I believe in the first week is where we cover most of that. Students will be required to describe their vision of the role of the school counselor based on what they've learned from the text, the ASCA model for Comprehensive School Counseling Program, and the Texas Department of Education School Counseling models. So you're going to want to find the ASCA model and the Texas model to reference for the paper. APA style is required, and the paper can be in first person, with the goal being that the student has a clear understanding of how they might manage their role as school counselor. Students will also be required to describe their reasons for wanting to become a school counselor. So I want to hear your perspective and your story and why you've decided that you want to be a school counselor. So I'm looking at the handout here, which is what you need to look at. This is in the module. And the rubric says that I'll break down the rubric with the points. The student described their reasons for wanting to become a school counselor, 20 points. The student described a clear vision of the role of the school counselor, 50 points. So the role of the school counselor is really important. Obviously, I want to know that you know the role of the school counselor. I want to know that you can use the ASCA National Model and the Texas Department of Education school counseling models in the paper. So the application of those models is also 50 points. The student demonstrated thoughtfulness regarding multiculturalism, ethics, empathy, and thoughtfulness with regard to the role of the school counselor. So I'm always going to be looking for multicultural competence, respectfulness, ethics, empathy, and thoughtfulness. Those are some key characteristics that you'll need to be a successful counselor. The use of APA style is 30 points, and demonstrating critical thought, creativity, and effort is 20 points. Using relevant resources in your paper is 10 points. So I'm looking for 5 sources. You can use the text as one of those sources. Hint, hint, you may want to cite the ASCA and Texas models. So then you just have 2 others to find and cite. So it should be no problem to have at least 5 good resources. If you go above that, that's even better. So that should be pretty simple, but if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and let me know. I am here for you. All right, thank you, and have a good day.